I don't have any right to sack me from here. He slapped me in the face.
It's Ablekuma North election re-run course. Now, said the NMC iron as an action movie, as an war film. In this video, we don't come Hawa Koomson Ekanyamenko and Kanipa be edging the cry if in some Omo Abuno Etiano Ewo Ehonomo. GH1 reporters, journalists, Omo Abubi, on this issue no. Bawumia abedin komo miracle abaje abekasa afa ho. Ama Malegba Sentale so abekasa. Honorable Esedigatia so abekasa na face so eyewitness under her watch. Ana yebu Hawa Koomson anke yepra no. Ono so abedin komo afa ho. Aha Penyah block media. Mesra say ni dio. Obe like video no and remember subscribe button so abeka the notification for latest updates. Na betule wa adwene dia mama e wo comment section mesra so baso. No wa shebe no for so enya bi ahye. Ablekuma North constituency election re-run course away no any general election ya 12 but I can 19 polling stations and yet to sub between MPP and NDC. MPP flag bearer honorable Ekuya FE and NDC honorable Erabna. People mean as April Ablekuma North constituency. Ama obekaya before kwase ene ebedru 2 days ago Wednesday anumre and we say Malegba Sentale any NDC tax maybe every this particular video.
Friday, me Bawumia Babana. Friday, me Sentale, me Bawumia Babana. Ayazu, na se me ba, na MP before nim, na se ye ticket, yabaya. Ayazu, me see ye ticket, yabaya. Na ye ticket, yabaya. Na ye ticket, yabaya.
Enwa Thursday no. Prior to conversation na Malegba Sentale any NDC tax be ebe no. MP before guys maybe so ekoye Blue Army motor parade ewo ho emomukra be send a warning to Malegba Sentale say oye bear man small kind o me masem ewo ho.
Okay, Ghana for me say mun kanche Bastin Tani say was ye kra obe ye krekre. Say ye krekre obe ye krekre. Obe tiari gumaya na aboya nyina. Enti se wonimo obe kra ni no omunyan no mo ni na komia anya sa message ye betin kate anya bi nwe ye be boma menase eti message ye de ma dondro mani mama ye de ma danka William so on ka change this for say so omunim aso we ma do so mejeje ya me say so omunim owu o munye dai o mo hwe na a word to the man is in Libya mo de amu ba hu Hey, mama, no, let's throw behind them. Let's throw behind them. The elephant, and when they say, we shall win. We shall win. We shall win. The elephant, and when they say, we shall win.
Just say, na election be bia kire say e be ye bloody. From Wednesday night na Malegba Sentale kind asem. Any annual Thursday no pana MP before guys and call blue army motor parade on me who said election of Ablekuma North a better bloody. It's not I was even suggesting say security be very tight. Security even to the point that we are comparing soldiers because just constituency back up it doesn't commit me to military. I was suggesting say the name of videos edin can bad day and compare to military honor. And now no pay and as election the questions for and upon be a cost to find the environment very cool. I mean, we said Hawa Koomson, Miss Hawa Koomson, Anna Oya former mayor of Fallen for Senior Wutu East constituency, no, or by a hormone, Emma no Cabano segment, most air customer required in the buffet, Emma or Tirana drink a crack.
Honorable, what's your thoughts around the process so far? What's your thoughts around the process so far?
I mean, the other places have been very peaceful. I don't know why here they want to do intimidation. The people are ready to come and vote for a PFA. You are intimidating them. You are sharing money and still intimidating. What's your problem?
We saw somebody shout at you to leave the polling station. Is that why you are referring to as intimidation?
The polling station belongs to him.
To leave the force station.
Why are they also here? Why are they also here?
So clearly they are trying to intimidate your camp.
And we cannot be intimidated. We are not ready. We won't allow them to.
Have you reported to the police?
The police is there. We've reported to them. We've told them. They have seen all that is going on. They think because they are in power. Yes, we are ready. We are in opposition. We are ready to face them.
Interesting.
Anybody Penyah tip up say Hawa Koomson Abahonomna and out of nowhere Ebusia election Escalation. Tags be every baby a hen, no more boy with any police phone Eddie CNE. There's not almost target. Hawa Koomson, any a queer free now, all standing in the ticket of MP. Omo a queer free, Emma Hawa Koomson, the Ekenyaminqua, and Omo die in Honum.
You are beating someone here. What? There's two people here.
Why are they doing that?
Yeah. The police is stopping the people from entering.
What is he doing there?
The serious here is that they are tough. Oh man.
GH1 reporter be almost a prayer, no, just almost prayer reporters, baby, ever ho.
media person. If they have to watch the election, I don't have anywhere to sack me from here. He slapped me in the face. for no reason. Men young, men can't attend here. But he came to ask me, Mr. Nami, what I'm supposed what make elections. He slapped in the face. As a media person, we are all watching in that. This man, he will not from me very soon. What? Obey ASP, obey ASP. Obey blue rope. Yes, it's a very tall guy. And look, I was there. He just approached me, sorry, no, I'm watching the elections.
He's the one. That's the guy.
That's the officer. That's for me. Look. But Janet, that's the officer. What's going on here? That's the officer. What's the guy? That's the officer. What's the guy on? This is going on here. Don't run up. Wait. Is it a threat or what? Is it a threat? We're a threat. Your man comes up. We're a threat. Your man came just in the slap in the face. We're a threat. Master, I don't know that.
But I know briefly, what really happened?
He came to approach me. Said, I'm old.
Emma, this issue happened. I'm for every day. Day you Hawa Koomson as you want to order hokwa. A day pot in the sea entro. Tax be a free baby a buy. Emu Anna, lady according to her eyewitness, the BSN or hall, but said there was a pepper spray.
One day, not but people when you shaka more ham. None yet. I'm going to go up and put if you could give up woman. How good see? Which is 10 years for you. It's when you go to Lebanon. I said, what shall I? What's trouble in your backyard? And echo phone. You want that or yeah, what inside what? Mama, just a mess of what good now. What's it tonight? We go fast. What's it? No show. We go fast and make a share. When you say you're in the coin. Not a higher picture. No, no, you ain't. Ain't you mean? Ain't you cry? Yes, it's all among me. Pepper spray. But you put me home. It don't need to me. It don't need to me. It's going to buy. Only to win now, but there's no almost 30 hours. When you fetch your name, when you find when you find
the pepper spray bed, and to some people who believe say, Hawa Koomson a presence, and a man will be expert that pepper spray. In 2016, in 2020, the body guide HUT will be a kuno. It tells us Hawa Koomson abaho, Nase, pepper spray be about there, any Hawa Koomson and Sanaduma, and Emma almost so no, a quack Hawa Koomson, as you say, not any enya. What I say?
Why are they doing that?
I must be buying. Honorable saying get here, and this national charm. I be cast up on you. Be a normal, be a cool.
Oh, stop! You want to talk to me? So,
Please, nobody is talking.
Let me come and see that. Assessment so far, so good. The NDC here. I'll be surprised if we don't take it. Okay, someone come right. Some persons are working.
Malik Basentazi James one day. Hawa Koomson the last one thing didn't said the bodyguard issue 2 will be But says Yabo Hawa Koomson no. Oh, under the
Not privy to that yet. I mean, the only time I heard of assault with Hawa Koomson was the murder of one young man from Nima in her constituency, where her boys shot and killed him. That's the last time. If you type Hawa Koomson on Google now, you will see Hawa Koomson's boys killed Nima boys. We attended the funeral. I have not seen that yet. If I haven't seen, okay, you have seen. Show the camera to him, comment on it. What do you mean? I haven't seen. I'll comment on what I have seen. And what I have seen is that Hawa Koomson's boys killed a Nima boy at Kaswa in 2024. We went and buried him. So if they say they are beating her today, I have not seen it. But if I see, she's a human being.
Bawumia Ablekuma said this is a call to action. This issue, it is putting the democracy of this country at risk.
This is not the democracy that we want to see in Ghana. Our supporters are being attacked by thugs in the presence of the police, who have been unable to protect them. The candidate Equia has been attacked. Hawa Koomson has been attacked. Our deputy national organizer has been attacked. So many of them, Oko, Asante, many women have been attacked. After every election, we want to see that the democracy is being enhanced. And this is very important for the peace and stability of our country. You recall that the background to this particular by-election is that the police had told the EC that they were unable to provide security to collate 3 pink sheets, just security to collate 3 pink sheets. For some reason, they were able to find security to conduct elections in 19 polling stations. And today, our people are being attacked with the police presence and unable to provide security. We don't want the country and political parties to start to think that they have to provide for their own safety. This would be a recipe for disaster if every political party has to raise their own army to give them protection during an election. But this is the message that is being sent. What we have to be clear about is that the people who have perpetrated these acts have been caught on video. I call on the president to take action, and all the people in charge of this country, the administration, to take action to bring the perpetrators to book. This is the only way we can deter this in the future. But we have seen them, and let me assure them that should they not be brought to book, we will not forget. They will be brought to book no matter how long it takes. We will not forget what has happened. We want peace in this country. This is not the democracy that Ghana wants to see. And so it is very important that these sorts of terrible acts are not encouraged. Thank you very, very much.
Miracle Abu, just so Abeshen opinion on that.
This is why early in the morning the NDC hoodlums came in, attacked our agents, destroyed the election materials, went after our party agents, beat her up mercilessly, attacked Honorable Hawa Koomson, who was standing far away with Honorable Dakwa Niman, and stood her ground. They numbered about 30 of them. The police could not stop them. I was there myself. I'm sure a lot of you have seen me on the City TV interview. They came in with guns and machete, and the police simply had no weapons. So they had to run for their lives. So far, we have been here, and it is quite clear that the elections has resumed. We are calling on every single person at home to come out and come and vote. At this point, it's been restored, and there's calm here. And so the candidate will now speak. But before the candidate speaks, please, it's very important that the Inspector General of Police gets to know what the NDC have been doing since morning and know that we cannot afford not to complete and conclude the coalition today too. Because from the way things are going, just as we have done here at the Methodist polling station, we are going to protect every single ballot and make sure that the same way we restored calm here, there will be calm at every polling station for the coalition. If they fail to protect us, we will protect ourselves just as we have done here.
Madam. Ama a free now or also Ejinamu Edema MPP, ever hot my only a rubber air contest no, or also Abetra Nagine.
I'm saying, Obia Unia, Ablekuma North. And then I have visited 16 polling stations, and all the 16 polling stations, with the exception of Odoko 4 and 5, everywhere is chaotic. Bebia Ubekono, one with the hoodlums, thugs, macho men, all over, almost about 200 every polling station. And now, almost percent vote a woman be baba to ama me never for. If it's obia him said, obia obepie biano, obeto aba me ku every year. These polling stations, obia obeto be obeto ama me. And crofo any abre. Now people are afraid to come out in crofo. Efel say omoba, send omo twetio. Any a second, any a giant adeno. Yabebrano. It's your man crofo she fie. But me person me too. A catcher men crofo say. Mopie, obiambra number 2. Obie ni wa a bible aba, a bible or home. Police for no mesramo. IGP, so I won the apostle. Yeah, 3 police stations. What's they want to mean providing security? After 19, they also be provided. Yes, macho men are here with security. Ablekuma North. Light of Gospel Miracle Church. Utate. Agents. For Bakuda hospitals is here. Why do you have to do this? NTC no. Yeah, Bekaya Bano. Mijina and no be peja ballot box. I catch and so famous. Why?
As we speak,
It went in Wasson Basabasaya, a course, and Ablekuma North constituency at St. Peter's polling station. I brought a nippy unknown tax. I said to some people who believe that only NDC for a better share. Hawa Koomson so Nazenka. Ombutan Nazenka, Hawa Koomson there. The police for the end to end detention at the anchor owned by Hawa Koomson at to home. What is your thoughts on this particular issue? I Penyah Media.